Hi again. Let's now start with the second topic, places in the city. So open your books on page 95 and let's start with the first exercise. Places in the city, exercise 3. Match the places to the signs. Have a look at the places given. Library, bibliotek, street, rrugë, playground, këndlojrash, aquarium, school, shkollë. Now match each of the places to the right sign you see. Number 4. Shops and products, dyqane dhe produkte. Read the following sentences and say where would you hear them. I lexojmë fjalët e dhëna dhe I lidhim me dyqanet ku mund t'i dëgjojmë secilin prej tyre. Let's share ideas to the class so you can correct anything that you don't understand or any mistake. Number 5. Listening. Name the places in the pictures. Emërtoni vendet në foto. What can you see? Cilat dyqane janë këto që shikoni ju në foto? Now, listen to the 3 dialogues. Tani do dëgjoni 3 dialogue. In which of the places does each take place? Në secilin prej vendeve zhvillohet secila bisedë. Pra besoj ju e keni emërtuar poshtë, do dëgjojmë bisedën dhe sipas radhës vendosni. For example, the first dialogue is picture C, let's say. Pra vendosni numrat të bisedave tek dyqanet përkatëse. I'm going to play the audio, listen carefully.
8A. Exercise 5, page 95. 1.
What can I do for you, madam?
I'll take this and a large chicken, please.
Certainly. That's £11 altogether, please.
Here you are.
2.
The second.
Can I help you? Yes. Can you give me something for a headache? Of course. How about this? It contains paracetamol. Thank you. How much is it?
3.
Do you like these?
Yes, I do. What size are they?
They're a medium.
Great. I think I'll try them on.
Okay, now tell me where does each of the dialogues takes place. Then we are going to pass on to exercise 6, speaking. In pairs, act out a similar dialogue for another shop. Read the given examples. How can I help you? I'd like a bunch of roses, please. Certainly. Si mund të doja një tufë me trëndafila ju lutem. Patjetër. Now it's your turn to make a similar dialogue like this one in another shop. Do provoni të bëni një dialog të ngjashëm si ky, por në një tjetër dyqan, pra dyqani dhe artikullin që ju do blini aty. Then share ideas to the class. Number 7A. Read the sentences, say them in your language. Taking turns, we are going to read the sentences and translate them into Albanian. Me radhë, do më lexoni fjalit dhe do më përktheni në shqip. If there is anything you don't understand or find difficult, then we'll do it together. 7B. Read the text again and make notes. Lexoni përsëri tekstin dhe bani shënime. Compare the two cities, use whereas, however, but. Ideja është të përdorim lidhzat, whereas ndërsa, however, megjithatë, but, por, gjatë krahasimit të dy qyteteve që mësuam te teksti. Provoni të ndërtoni disa fjali duke përdorur lidhzat e dhëna në fletorin e klasës. Number 8 is going to be a home assignment. Ushtimi 8 do të jetë detyrë shtëpie. What are you going to do? Write a short paragraph comparing your town, city, village to Verona, Italy. Think about streets, parks, shops, markets, buildings, houses and restaurants. Pra, është radha juaj për të bërë një paragraf I ngjashëm si ai që lexuam tek teksti, ku do të krahasoni fshatin tuaj ose qytetin tuaj me Veronën, Italy. Dhe ku do bazojeni tek rrugët, parqet, dyqanet, marketet, ndërtesat, shtëpitë dhe restorantet. So that's all for the moment. Talk to you again later. So in the end, before we finish with all the exercises, I want you to remind once again the homework for next time. So exercise 8, page 95, the writing task, as well as workbook exercises, unit 8A. Thank you for your attention and see you next class. Bye.